Hello guys, today I have got NOMAD Stratos Band and I'm going to show you how you can easily resize this band by removing the links. So here, as you can see, we've got our little remover for the links, and here we've got the band. The first thing we need to do is to divide our band into two pieces by taking these magnets apart. So this is the second part, which is the first part. When you turn it upside down, you can see these rubber things, this rubber pad, and here when you turn it aside, you can see these little holes. In these holes we've got these little springs, and you need to take this remover, put this inside like this, and now you need to put this inside for 1 or 2 millimeters. Once you do that, you can see that you can remove this first part. Now from the second side, right here, and now we've got it removed. I mean removed, we don't have it removed yet, but we've got it divided into two parts. What to do now? We need to remove the link. How to remove the link? Of course, you need to take a look at here. This hole right here will remove this link. So, put this inside for 2 millimeters, this again for 2 millimeters, and in a moment you should be able to remove your first link. It's quite difficult, I know, but it works. Here and now from the other side, like a moment like this. Now we've got our first link removed. Here it is, right here. So this can be put right here, and now you need to mount this part, the mount to our Apple Watch, of this magnet. How to do that? You need to align this top of this top side with the hole, and the second spring, the second part of the spring needs to be put into this hole at first. So at first put this spring into the hole right here, and now you need to align the top of the second part with the hole right here. As you can see, it is. Now you need to use the second part, actually not the second part, but the opposite part of the remover, to bring this spring down. And now you need to just slide it into the hole. And now we should got it done. Let's make sure that it's done by putting this like this. And here we've got almost. I didn't see that it isn't done. I'm blind, sorry. Let's do this again. Now, as you can see, now it's done. I've got it mounted. Oh, we don't. No. Okay, now we've got it done. I'm a little blind and tired, but here we've got it now mounted. Here we've got the first link removed right here, and now we need to remove the second one from the second part. And of course the process is the same. Put this right here, remove the link, and of course you'll be able to use your Nomad band again. That's how to resize it. Of course it needs to be shortened with you know, both on this side and this side, so that it's symmetric and it's aligned properly. That's it, bye!